Okay, Manong Frank Pagulayan from La Union. Go ahead.
Yeah, Frank Pagulayan, living in Burlington. Retired, came to Canada since 1970. Nice meeting you.
Oh, same to you po. And now you're going to enjoy your life as retired. You're going for a cruise
In Alaska,
and which part of Philippines po kayo?
Sampaloc, Manila.
And hometown is
La Union,
San Fernando or
Caba,
Aba, La Union. Okay. Speak po in
Ilocano.
Ilocano. Kumusta po yung mga natin mga kabagis?
Oh, kumusta? Hindi ako makapagano masyado sa Ilocano
Eh, no problem po.
But I was born in Manila.
Ikwento nyo lang yung buhay nyo rito. Namit nyo sila Eddie Gutierrez. Nagbebenta kayo ng kaldero nung araw noong 70s.
Came Eddie Gutierrez, sila Jean Lopez, okay, Ricky, Castelby,
Rick Castelvia po.
hindi si Rick, kapatid yun. Oh.